Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, you have taken health education, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to here. Anybody remembering? Next year, roles of healthcare provides. Roles of healthcare provides. It provide opportunity for people to learn how to identify and analyze health-related problems and how to set their own targets and priorities. Okay, and make health and health-related information easily accessible to the community and indicate to the pupil alternative solution for solving the identified health and health-related problem. And pupil must access the proven preventive measures. That is the roles of healthcare provides. Okay, to provide opportunity for people to learn how to identify and analyze health-related problem. We want to give the opportunity to the pupil how to related problem again about the health and make health and health-related okay. Network problem. Can you hear my sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, role of healthcare provides. Indicate the pupil alternative solution for solving the identified health and health related problem and pupil must access the proven preventive measures. Next, approach to health education. Okay. For well-known to health education, regulatory approach, service approach, health education approach, and primary healthcare approach. Okay, approaches to health education, regularly approach, service approach, health education approach, and primary healthcare approach. Regularly approach means it is either directly or indirectly by governmental intervention designed to alter the human behavior. And for example, the child marriage restriction in the India, compulsory wearing the seat belt and helmet. And non-government can pass legislation to eat, balance the diet or not smoking. Okay, and Congress, it means that Congress defect is 1977 election is due to conferment of sterilization campaign. Next service approach means this approach was tried by basic health service in 1960s and it aimed at providing all the health service needed by the people all their doorstep, but this approach provide failure because it is not based on felt need to the people. That is the service approach. Example, When water still latrine were provided by the government free of cost, many people in rural areas did not make use of them. Okay, that's why that service approaches is a failed. Next, health education approach. People must be educated through the planned learning experience, what to do and to be informed. Okay, educated and encouraged to make their own choice for healthy life. And problem like cessation of smoking, use of safe water supply, and fertility control can be solved by health education. And health education should be started among children and young population. Next, primary health care approach. This is a new approach started from the pupil with their full participation and active involvement in the planning and delivery of the health service. That is the primary. In primary health care approach means the pupil fully activated and participated. Community involvement and intercostal coordination. That is the primary health care approach. Okay. Next, models of health education. Models of health education. It's a medical model. Mostly this model is concerned with the disease or illness. This model is primarily interested in the recognition and treatment of disease and technological advances to facilities to process. Medical model. That is the good choice of the health education. It means what is health? What is the health education means? Who will know? Only medical people only know. Okay, that is the mostly this method concerned with the disease or illness. This model is primarily interested in the recognition and treatment of disease and technology advances to facilities the process. Next one is the motivation model. Understand what is medical model?
Yes, ma'am.
Motivation model. It is the process consisting of several stages through which the individual is likely to pass before adoption. These are awareness, motivation, action. Okay, means motivation includes the stage of interest, evaluation, and decision making. And now the last stage of motivation model is the action, whether if idea is acceptable or not. Motivation means what? We are motivated to any people about the drinking and about somebody doing any wrong means we will try to motivate them. Okay, to give the encourage to this. That is the motivation model. Okay, next one is the social intervention model. The traditional motivation approach is insufficient to achieve behavioral changes. Hence, it is the social environment. It needs to be changed. Example, reduce smoking, adoption of small family, raising the age of marriage, elimination of dowry. Okay, that is the social intervention model. That is the some motivation. It means reducing smoking. Okay, next approaching of the small family means family planning, resisting the age of marriage, elimination of dowry. If the often found that people will not readily accept and it tries something new or novel, unique, it has been approved by the group to which they belong. Most of you prefer to do only the things commonly done by our group. It means adoption of new idea like vasectomy or loop interest and facilities in their group support. It is often found that people will not readily accept it by something to new. It means who are all having no child means they will adopt the child. Okay, it means it is good for that is the social intervention motive. And the group which they belong, most of prefer to do anything commonly done by our. Okay, example, adoption of a new idea like vasectomy or loop insertion is facilitated their group support. That is the social intervention. Next one is the content of health education. What is the main content of health education? Human biology, nutrition, about hygiene, about family health, about disease prevention and control, about mental health, about prevention of accident and use of health service. Okay, that is the content of health education. Next one is the principles of health education. What is the principle? Credibility. Okay, first one is the credibility. It is the degree to which message to be communicated is perceived to trustworthy by the received unless the people have trust and confidence in the communicator. No desired action will be ensured after receiving the message. Credibility, that is very, very important. Okay, that we should be maintained. Next, interest. The message should be to interest of the receiver. Whatever message we are given to one member means that who is receiver. Okay, they also want the interest to take the message. That is the interest. Next one is the participation. It is a key word in the health education. A alma mater declaration state the people have a right and a duty to participate individually and collectively in the planning and implementation of the care. Okay, that is very, very important. Anybody, any community health or any social worker making it means meeting. Okay, anything they are making means a participation. All people want to participate in that community. That is very, very important, that participation. Okay. Next, motivation. In a very person, there is fundamental desire to learn, hence awakenings. This are called motivation. Health education make us to motivation to change motivation. That is also very, very important. To change their bad behavior. Anybody having bad behavior means we want to change them. Next, comprehension. In health education, we must know that level of understanding, educational and literacy of the people to all the teaching is directed. Example, a doctor asked the diabetic to cut down stretchy food. The patient had no idea of a stretchy food. Okay, in health education, we must know the level of the understanding. In health education, we should always communicate in the language people can understand. Never use the word with new on the people. Comprehension, that is very, very important. Anything we are telling to any person, so they want to understand what is doctor told. That is the comprehension. Okay, next one is the reinforcement. Is the message it is repeated in the difficulty why the people can remember it, because a people can learn all the new in the single period. Informant. Anything I'm asking, you people understand or not? You people not getting understand means you want to take the repeat. Okay, it means some people can't reach it suddenly. That is the reinforcement. The message is rapidly different way the people can remember. Okay. Somebody having brain means some people not having so much brain, nice brain. Okay, they can afford the things. That time we want to take it, repeat it. That is the reinforcement. Next, learning by doing. Learning is an action process, not a memorizing. One the Chinese proverb is here. I forget if I see. I remember if I do. I know illustrate the importance of learning by doing. Okay, learning by doing means what? Learning is an action process, not a memorizing one. The Chinese proverb, if I hear, I forget it. Anything I'm hearing means I forget it. If I see, anything I'm seeing means I will remember. Understood? What is? You directly seeing anything means you can remember, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But you remembering any way means you will forget. Correct, no, that one? Directly I'm seeing anything means I will remember directly. I'm seeing that. But anything we heard means sometimes after we will forget. That is the which one proverb in Chinese. If I hear, I forget. If I see, I remember. If I do, I know. Illustrate the importance of learning by doing. That is very, very important. Next, note to unknown. In health education work, we must proceed from the concern, the abstract, from the particular and the general, from the simple to the more complicated, from the easy more difficulty, and from the known the unknown. Known to unknown, that is the health education, we must proceed from the concern abstract. If from the particular, the general, from the simple, the more complicated. That also very complication is there means they want to know, known to unknown. Okay. Next is setting an example. The health education should set a good example in the thing he is teaching. Correct now? The health educator should set a good example in the things he is teaching. That is the setting and example. Next is good human relation. Sharing of information, ideas and feeling happen most easily between people who have a good relationship. Correct now? Understood what I said? Up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good human relation. Sharing of information, ideas and feeling happen most easily between people who have a good relation. Okay. Next, feedback. The health educator can modify the elements of the system. Example, message, channels in the light of feedback from the audience. For effective communication, feedback is a paramount important. Correct? Now, feedback means now anybody asking to you, yeah, how is Ragi ma'am class means? What do you will tell?
Yeah, ma'am. Did nice.
We give a
That's-
feedback, good or bad, something.
Okay. Can you hear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Feedback. The health educator can modify the elements of the system, exam, message, channels, in the light of feedback from his audience. For effective communication, feedback of a paramount important. What is feedback? Just really I am asking. Anybody asking you about my class? What you will tell?
Nice, ma'am. Good explain. Exercise.
Okay. That is the feedback. Understand? What is feedback?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Anybody health education or teaching profession, anything anybody doing means any activity, anywhere. It means any 5-star hotel and 5-star hospital and any companies, anybody feedback book is there. Okay. It means anybody having any complaint means we want to write in that book. That is the feedback. Okay, that feedback is very, very important for a health education. Next one is the leaders. In the work of the health education, if we try to president of the community through the local leaders, the village headman, the school teacher or the political worker, if the leader are confident first about given the program, the rest of the task implementing the program will be easy. It means that is very, very, one leader is handled. In our community also, in your place also, one village or one taluk, district, anybody taking means one leader is there, no? He will take the all responsibility. Like that, if the work of health education, we are trying to penetrate the community through the local leaders, the village headman, the school teacher or political worker. If the leader, we can consider the first about giving the program, the rest of the task implementing the program will be easy. Okay, anything happening in that community means we will first inform that leader. Okay, and they will arrange the all matter. Here anything in our college, anybody want anything want to do means first to whom they will inform to Harsha sir. Okay, and he will give the instruction for us. That is the leaders. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is role of nursing in health education. Nurses' role and responsibility as a health educator. What is the nurse's role? The nurses should consider following the point during the health education. To gain the confidence of people, to arouse the interest the people about good health, to motivate them to bring about changes in the habit to healthy living, and to develop sense of responsibility among people towards good health of the whole community, and motivate them, encourage them to use a health service, cooperative feelings, select the subject matter according to need. Okay, and use appropriate audio visual aids. What is audio visual aids? Anybody know?
TV, ma'am. TV.
TV. Okay. Audio visual aids. What time I'm asking to one batch about exam. Somebody writing about AIDS. Okay, that's only I'm asking. Use appropriate audio visual aids. Use appropriate healthy educate wisely. And it should be planned and continues the implementation based to resource. Next should come forward the sufficient participation and cooperation of government and voluntary agencies is essential for health education, and effective communication should be maintained. Okay, this is the important one. Nurse's responsibility as a health educator to gain the confidence of the people. We want to gain the confidence of the people, to arouse the interest in the people about good health. They want to interest about the good health. To motivate them, bring about the changes in the habit of healthy living. Any bad habit means we want to motivate to them, change the habit, and to develop send the responsibility among people toward the good health of the whole community, and motivate for encouraging the use of health service and cooperative feelings. Okay, and select the subject matter according to need. What is the need subject base? We want to select them. And use appropriate audio visual aids, radio, TV. Okay, anything we want means we want to use that and we want to give information to the people. And use appropriate of health education wisely, and should be planned and continuous implementation based on resources. Next should be come forward and take sufficient participation and cooperation of government and voluntary agencies is essential for health education. Okay, effective communication should be maintained. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday all are written our exam. Therefore, yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yesterday, because I am absent the day for yesterday, I want to check how many member are wrote attending.
Easy question, ma'am.
Whatever I am teaching, that only I am asking. This only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Easy question.
You people study means all subject are easy. Not study
Ma'am.
means all are. Ah,
They are on definition of the epidemiology. So only
Ah.
definition right.
how many marker?
5 mark.
Okay. One thing I want to tell, in a community health, mark base you should be right. Okay.
Mark only definition only right. Give 5 marks. Ma'am.
No, 2 mark only I will give. It means definition, okay, one definition is I am given. That you writing means all teachers will give 2 mark only. But you want to add something sentence. Some another sentence in your knowledge. What is epidemiology? Okay, you just read that
Yes.
epidemiology notes and you add some 2 or 3 point means 5 mark question means you want to maintain half page. Understood?
Okay. Means another definition right.
Another definition or another definition and add 2-3 words. What is epidemiology? And so 2-3 sentence you just make and add. But epidemiology definition they will ask 2 mark question only. But simply I am given 5 mark. Okay, because I want to maintain 35 mark. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Community health means you should add your own words. It means 2 or 3 sentences extra you are writing means that is good in community health. It means not in a nursing foundation, not in anatomy and physiology. Okay, another subject is another that they will give point based. But community health means you can write so much. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.